Look at Sony SmartWatch 2 and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first you have to unlock your screen, then find and select the settings, scroll down, and under apps you will notice date and time, so just open it. And now you can pick the format of your clock, so you can either have the 24-hour one, or you can switch it off and have just 12-hour standard format clock. Then let's go to set date and time, and you can either have the same date and time that your device have, the one that your smartwatch is connected with, so it will be your smartphone, or you can switch it off. And now you can set date and also time, the hour manually by yourself, so you can pick the particular date and time. And that's it. Now the date and time that you set up is on your smartwatch. You can obviously go back to the default settings, to the 24-hour format clock, and also to the date and time that your device is set up with. So just click here. So now your Sony smartwatch will have the same date and time that your smartphone has. So that's it. This is how you do it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.